This is the KDP AI Cracked review and bonus. Now, inside here, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the sales page. I'm going to go ahead and show you the 2 bonuses that I'll be offering depending on what you get. We'll also take a behind-the-scenes look at the actual course that you're going to get. We'll show you the OTOs and the upsales. And we're also going to give you our honest opinion on what we think. I've gone through this entire course. As you probably know, we do a lot of self-publishing. We've got a couple of courses on self-publishing ourselves. So I'm going to go ahead and dive in and show you exactly what you get here inside of KDP AI Cracked. Now, let's go ahead and look at the bonuses that you'll get if you decide to buy through me. There's going to be 2 bonus options here. So if you decide to purchase through me, you'll be able to get access to my course, AI Instant Book Publishing. Now, this is a course that I sell for $99, and you will be able to get the upgrade inside that course as well included. And this is if you buy the front end through me. So if you just buy the front end, that's all you want to get. You're going to get my AI Instant Book Publishing course, which shows you how to make 10-chapter books in 2 minutes. Also, how to make things a lot closer to the prompts that you want to go ahead and create those books, as well as to be able to put in your prompt and let it continue while it creates that book. And you have to do no intervention or nothing else to be able to do that, as opposed to in the course how we teach you going step by step. We're going to show you exactly how to do your research and get your book written quickly and easily in 2 minutes without having to do anything else. And if you want to go ahead and pick up my bonuses, make sure you click the link below. The first link below in this video will give you the ability to go ahead and grab my first front end bonus. And then if you either pick up OTO number 3, KDP AI Limitless Traffic Yearly, or if you skip everything and pick up OTO 5 KDP AI Fast Pass VIP Bundle, you will be able to get my Road to Bestseller course, $199 course, absolutely free.